He doesn't have a pickle.
Hey, what'd you say?
Daddy, you want a pickle?
Do I want a what?
Daddy, you want a pickle?
A what?
Pickle.
What's a pickle?
That's a pickle.
Do I want what?
A pickle.
No thanks.
Mine. This is mine.
Are you gonna eat that?
Uh-huh.
Is it a good pickle?
Mm-hmm.
You like pickles? Oh, I'm being kicked.
I have pickle juice in my eye.
I see.